Kira Buletti from Leah Honda Service. I've been with Leah Honda Service for a little over 2 years. The reason why I've stayed with Leah Honda for so long is because it feels like family here. Not just the people I work with, but the people that come into our service drive every day. The reason why I continue to work at Leah Honda is because I feel like this is my family. This is my second family away from home. Not just the people I work with, but the people that come into the service drive. I love seeing familiar faces. I go to the grocery store, I see the same people that I help here. The reason why I've been here for so long is because of management. He gives us the tools we need to help our clients in any way possible. He goes above and beyond to help our clients. That's why they continue to come back to Honda. Customers continue to choose us over the competition. It's because of our honesty, because they know we'll go above and beyond and give them whatever they need. We'll help them as much as we can. And that's a very important factor in picking who's going to service your car. What separates us from everyone else is that we treat our customers like family. You come in, you're greeted with a smile. It's incredibly important to us that you feel comfortable when you come to have your car serviced. Leave us, and I want you to be smiling. I tell them to come down and meet us. Give us the opportunity to service their car, and they'll never go anywhere else again.